Hello friends, let us still continue our discussion on formatting. We were concentrating on presentation part of this case study. So remember earlier we had prepared some graphs as well as some pivot tables. So what we're going to do is we are going to input those graphs and charts as well as pivot table in this particular sheet, and then we are going to format it. So for doing that, what we can do is we can extract our pie chart as well as bar chart from the previous sheet. The way of doing that is go to that particular sheet. This is my sheet wherein I had my chart, bar chart as well as a pie chart. So for copy pasting, what I'll do is I'll simply click on this particular chart. I'll right click, I'll copy, go to my sheet where I want to paste it. I'll come over here and I'll right click and I'll paste my chart. So this chart is copied. We have one more chart. I'll just press directly. This is the second way wherein you make use of Control C, press Alt Tab, go to your sheet and press Control V. So can you see now this chart is also copied properly. You can make the two charts of same size. You can just make it similar. I'll go to the plot area if possible. Yeah, I think this is now looking good. Another thing that we did is with respect to pivot table. So I'll go to the sheet wherein I had created the pivot table. So I currently have the row labels as department wise employee list, that is males and females and the count. So I'll just copy this. I'll select that. I'll copy it. Go to the cell where I want to paste it. I'll just right click and I'll select on paste option. Can I just keep it as text? Okay, I'll just keep it as text. Okay, again I'm pressing Alt Tab. I had another table with the row labels as different departments and some of the monthly salary. So I'm making use of Control C. So press Control C so that the copy is activated. Go to another sheet and press Control V. So now this is also pasted. What we now need to do is we know that these are the title. Okay, so we need to format them properly. So let's make them bold. So titles, I've made it bold and I'll just fill it with the proper color. So let's use a proper color, let's say blue. Now I know these are my departments: finance, IT, marketing and support. So I want to highlight them as well. So I'll make use of bold for this. For IT also I'll just bold it. Marketing and support also I am making them bold. Now females and males count under finance. I want them to be specifically highlighted so that it looks that they are under finance. For this I'm going to make use of the increase indent option, which is present under alignment in the home tab. So let's select this and click on increase indent and let's see what happens. Can you see it has just shifted to the right? If I click more, you can see that it is particularly shifting to the right. Okay, so I'll just shift only once. That is enough. For this also, I'll shift once. Similarly for marketing and support. Finally, I have my grand total which is present over here. I want to highlight this as well. So I'll make it as bold. And let's include a particular border for this. Let's say top and double bottom border. So this is how it is looking like right now. Now if you see this particular cell, the text is slightly outside. So let me increase the width of this cell. Okay, and if you want, you can just include a overall border as well, outside border. So now it is looking good. So now the table is quite readable, wherein you know that these are the 4 departments: finance, IT, marketing, support, and under each department they have given the count of the employees. Similarly, let's come over here. What formatting we are going to do similar to this. So row labels and sum of monthly salary, I'll just bold them, include a blue color. Grand total, for grand total, again I'm bolding it, making use of top and double bottom border. And for the entire table, I'm going to make use of a outside border. This is the outside border option which is present. Can I just increase the width of this column so that everything fits in this? But if I do so, I'm increasing width of this column also, tax paid. So I do not like this how it is looking now. So I'll just press Ctrl Z, and what I'll do is I'll just wrap text. So I'm clicking my mouse over here and click on wrap text option. So now the entire width of the row 41 has increased. Let's bring this in between. Okay, now this is looking good. So this is some of the formatting that we have done, wherein we have just seen how we can copy paste the charts and graphs from different sheet, as well as you can copy paste your pivot table data from a different sheet.